Have you ever dreamed of standing in front of one of the most powerful waterfalls on Earth? Welcome to Niagara Falls, a breathtaking natural wonder shared by Canada and the United States. In today's video, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey through roaring waterfalls, scenic viewpoints, boat rides, hidden attractions, delicious food spots, and epic nighttime views. Whether you're planning your first trip or just love travel videos, this guide will show you everything you need to know before visiting Niagara Falls. So grab your camera and let's explore one of the most beautiful destinations in North America. Getting to Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is located on the border between Ontario, Canada, and New York, USA. The closest major cities are Toronto and Buffalo. If you're traveling from Toronto, the drive takes around 1.5 hours. Many travelers also take day tours or buses from the city. The journey itself is beautiful, especially during summer and autumn when the landscapes are full of color. As you get closer, you'll begin to hear the sound of the waterfalls long before you actually see them. And trust me, the first view is unforgettable. First impression. The moment you arrive at Niagara Falls, the power of nature hits you instantly. Massive walls of water crash down with incredible force, creating clouds of mist that rise high into the sky. Niagara Falls is actually made up of 3 waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Falls. The largest and most famous is Horseshoe Falls on the Canadian side. The view from here is absolutely stunning and gives you the full panoramic experience. During the day, rainbows often appear in the mist, making the scenery look almost magical. Boat tour experience. No trip to Niagara Falls is complete without getting close to the waterfalls on a boat tour. The famous boat ride takes visitors directly into the mist near the base of Horseshoe Falls. You'll wear a rain poncho, but be prepared, you are definitely going to get wet. As the boat approaches the falls, the roar becomes louder and louder. Water sprays everywhere. The wind becomes intense, and the experience feels truly powerful. This is one of the best moments for cinematic shots and slow-motion footage. If you want the ultimate Niagara Falls experience, this is something you absolutely cannot miss. Best viewpoints. There are several amazing viewpoints around Niagara Falls, and each one offers a different perspective. Table Rock Welcome Center. This spot is located right beside Horseshoe Falls and gives one of the closest views possible. You can literally feel the ground vibrating beneath your feet. Journey behind the falls. Here, visitors walk through tunnels behind the waterfall itself. Standing behind thousands of tons of rushing water is an unreal experience. Skylon Tower. For the best aerial view, head to the Skylon Tower. From the top, you can see the entire Niagara region, including both the Canadian and American sides. The nighttime city lights from up here are absolutely beautiful. Nighttime at Niagara Falls. When the sun goes down, Niagara Falls transforms into something magical. Colorful lights illuminate the waterfalls in shades of blue, red, purple, and green. The reflections on the water create a dreamlike atmosphere. During summer weekends and special events, fireworks light up the sky above the falls, making the experience even more unforgettable. This is the perfect time for romantic shots, cinematic drone footage, and peaceful evening walks along the riverside. Food and local experiences. After exploring the falls, it's time to enjoy some local food. The Niagara region is known for restaurants with amazing waterfall views. You'll find everything from casual street food to fine dining experiences. Many visitors also explore nearby wineries in the Niagara region, especially around Niagara-on-the-Lake. This charming town is famous for its beautiful streets, historic buildings, and world-class ice wine. If you have extra time, it's definitely worth visiting. The best time to visit Niagara Falls depends on the experience you want. Summer. Summer is the most popular season. The weather is warm, attractions are fully open, and boat tours operate daily. Autumn. Autumn brings colorful fall foliage, making the scenery incredibly beautiful and perfect for photography. Winter? Winter turns Niagara Falls into a frozen wonderland. Snow and ice create magical landscapes that look straight out of a movie. Every season offers something unique. Travel tips. Here are a few quick travel tips before visiting Niagara Falls. Bring waterproof clothing or a rain jacket. Visit early in the morning to avoid crowds. Carry a wide-angle camera lens for better shots. If possible, stay overnight to experience both daytime and nighttime views. Don't forget your passport if you plan to cross between Canada and the USA. Best areas to stay. Falls View District. Best overall. This is the most famous hotel area in Niagara Falls. You'll be close to Horseshoe Falls, the Skylon Tower, casinos, restaurants, and boat tours. Many rooms offer direct waterfall views. Great hotel options: Hilton Niagara Falls Falls View Hotel and Suites, Wyndham Grand Falls View Hotel, Comfort Inn Falls View. Final thoughts. Niagara Falls is more than just a waterfall. It's an experience filled with adventure, beauty, and unforgettable memories. From the thunderous roar of Horseshoe Falls to peaceful evening lights reflecting across the river, every moment here feels cinematic. Whether you're traveling with family, friends, or solo, Niagara Falls deserves a place on every traveler's bucket list. Thank you for watching this journey through Niagara Falls. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel adventures from around the world. See you in the next destination.